Hi, welcome to back my channel Vijay Tutorial. Today is the RAM's tier. What are the generation of tier? DDR5, DDR4, DDR3 and enter levels and mid-range and high-end. The DDR5 newest, fastest, highest bandwidth up to 8400 plus megahertz used by modern high-end systems and AI attached systems. And DDR4 mainstream is the common standard 2133 into 4000 megahertz, reliable, cheaper, ideal for budget to mid-range PC builders. DDR3 legacy, older, slow, standard found in older laptops or desktops. Performance tier, speed, capacity, entire level is 8 GB and 16 GB and less than 3200 megahertz, suitable for web browsing, office work and light gaming. The mid-range 16 GB to 32 GB is the 3200 megahertz to 5600 megahertz RAM tier, ideal for modern gaming, streaming content creators. Minimum I in 32 GB plus 6000 megahertz plus best professional workstations, 3D rendering and top tier gaming system. The other key terms of CAS latency, lower is better. Example, CL16 is faster than to CL18 at the same speed. Single dual rank, the dual rank can be slightly faster due to the improving data access, but single rank. The RAM memory tier list is the S tier, means S series RAM is Allied Performance DDR5 6000 to 7000 MHz CL30 dual channel is EXPO optimized XMP settings. The A tier means RAM A, letter is there last, high performance DDR4 3200 MHz starting to 3600 megahertz CL16 to CL18 dual channel and the XMP and EXPO. The B tier good, DDR5 is the B tier is the good to gaming purpose. DDR5 5600 megahertz starting CL30, DDR5 is the 5200 megahertz dual channel. The C tier average DDR4 3000 and 3200 mega dual channel. The D tier is the low performance DDR4 below 3000 megahertz single channel. The E tier is outdated RAM, it is a DDR3 is module, no express, no. Please support, please share, please comment. Thanking once again your Vijay Tutorial. So many informative videos is coming.